If you want to start a real business with real profit, skip the hype and look at machines turning raw materials into daily cash. In this video, I'll show you 7 low investment machines with proven demand and serious returns. Let's break down what they do, what they cost, and how much you can make. Machine 1, wooden cutlery molding machine. This machine is riding a major eco wave, and it's your cheapest ticket into a booming market. It molds wooden forks, spoons, and knives using birchwood or poplar sticks. With restaurants ditching plastic, demand for biodegradable cutlery is exploding. It produces 3,000 pieces per hour. That's 24,000 in an 8-hour shift. It runs on electricity and fits neatly in a garage. Just load the wood sticks and it steams, molds, and dries each utensil automatically. The machine costs about $4,000, a small investment for serious profit. Raw material cost is about 2 cents for wood and 1 cent for packaging, 3 cents total per item. You can easily wholesale each piece for 8 cents or more. That brings in $1,920 in revenue and around $1,200 profit daily. You only need one person to run it. Offer branded sets or mixed packs to increase margins. Cafes, food trucks, and eco events love compostable cutlery. Start lean, think big. This low-cost machine can carve out a high-profit future right from your garage. Machine 2, sauce sachet packing machine. This machine turns everyday condiments into a high-volume, high-demand product. Individual sauce sachets. It's fully automatic and runs 4 lanes at once, filling and sealing up to 20,000 packets per day with ketchup, hot sauce, dressing, or any liquid condiment. The machine costs around $4,000. It's compact, fits in a standard workspace, and only needs one person to operate. Load the liquid sauce into the hopper, set the fill volume, and the machine does the rest, cutting, sealing, and stacking each sachet. Raw material cost per sachet is roughly 12 cents, 2 cents for the film pouch, and 10 cents for the sauce. These sachets sell easily at 25 to 30 cents each, especially when branded or packaged in variety packs. That's $5,000 in daily revenue and about $2,600 in daily profit. Your customers? Fast food joints, food trucks, meal prep kits, and vending machine operators. Want to charge more? Offer custom branding and mix and match flavors. This machine doesn't just pack sauce, it packs serious earning potential for any small-scale food manufacturing business. Machine 3, cold oil press machine. This compact machine turns common seeds into premium cold-pressed oil, a trending product in the health market. It extracts oil without using heat or chemicals, preserving flavor and nutritional value. Ideal for seeds like sesame, soybean, and cottonseed. The cost ranges from $1,600 to $2,200 depending on the size. It's electric, easy to operate, and suitable for small or medium-scale production. Feed in the seeds, and the machine separates oil from the seed cake, which can also be sold as animal feed. You get about 300 to 400 milliliters of oil from each kilo of sesame seeds, which cost $1.50 to $2 per kilo. The oil sells for $6 to $12 per liter depending on the market. With smart bottling and branding, you can scale revenue quickly. Daily production potential ranges from small batches to 10 tons depending on the model. Profit margins are strong, especially with growing demand for unrefined, chemical-free oils. Add organic or local branding to maximize price. This machine delivers healthy returns, both for your wallet and your customers' kitchens. Machine 4, paper bag making machine. This machine lets you produce eco-friendly paper bags at scale, ideal for local cafes, shops, and farmers markets. It cuts, folds, glues, and prints craft paper rolls into finished bags, ready for branding. Costing around $12,000, it can make up to 30,000 bags daily. One person can operate the entire unit. Raw materials, paper, glue, and ink cost about 6 cents per bag. These bags wholesale between 40 and 60 cents, generating over $10,000 in revenue and strong daily profit. Custom logos and seasonal designs add extra value. Small businesses prefer local suppliers with quick turnarounds and low minimums. Set up in your garage and start supplying the growing demand for sustainable packaging. Machine 5, Foam Tray Making Machine. This machine is your entry point into the food packaging business, one of the most consistent markets out there. It molds EPS foam sheets into sturdy, food-safe trays used by butchers, grocers, and bakeries. The semi-automatic unit costs about $8,000 and can produce 50,000 trays per day. It needs just one operator and minimal setup space. Each tray costs about 3 cents in materials. Selling them at 20 cents each means $10,000 in revenue and $8,500 in daily profit. You can target local stores, meal prep businesses, and markets. Want higher margins? Offer biodegradable tray options or custom sizes. Quick turnaround, low labor, and high volume make this a fast payback machine. If you're looking for reliable profits, this one delivers tray after tray. Machine 6, Adhesive Tape Production Line. This machine turns rolls of film into branded adhesive tape, a staple for packaging, shipping, and retail. For around $15,000, you get a compact line that coats, dries, slits, and rewinds up to 40,000 rolls per day. Material costs per roll are about 15 cents, including film and adhesive. Wholesale pricing averages $1.25, creating a massive daily revenue potential of $50,000 and profit of $44,000. One technician can run the line. Your market includes e-commerce sellers, contractors, and packaging suppliers. Offer private label runs for small businesses needing branded tape. They'll pay a premium. This machine gives you speed, scale, and sticky profits. Perfect for replacing your 9-to-5 with something far more rewarding. Machine 7, A4 Paper Making Machine. This machine transforms recycled or virgin pulp into standard A4 sheets, a product in constant demand across schools, offices, and print shops. It costs about $20,000 and produces up to 32,000 sheets per 8-hour shift. Material cost per sheet is roughly 2.5 cents, while wholesale pricing is around 15 cents. That's $4,800 in revenue and $4,000 in profit daily. It's fully automatic and requires just one operator. Offer recycled or eco-friendly paper lines to charge premium prices and attract sustainability-focused clients. If you want a scalable, stable business, this machine delivers consistent results in a timeless market. Which of these machines would you choose to start your business? Let me know in the comments. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more proven business ideas. There's plenty more to come that can help you turn simple tools into serious profits.